Yo! Next up, we got OTM Sunday 12. Canary Yellow on the check-in. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. I heard this little girl snaps on this.
It's TP, man, and we here again. Again on OTM freaking
Sunday.
Come on now, you know, you've been paying attention. But you back. What's up? Welcome back, man. How you feeling?
Good.
You feel good?
Always good.
Smith, you had to bring it back, Smith?
It's mandatory.
It's mandatory.
What's up with all these kid rappers popping up, bro? What's up with all these kid rappers coming out now, bro? How's that work?
813.
Come on now.
It's like the third or fourth one I done seen.
Come on now. Talk up. Come on now.
Miss Viral.
Come on now.
Miss 600K.
Come on now. That's all you.
Yes.
Tell the people your name again.
Canary Yellow.
Ooh. Who you got with you today? You got somebody with you today?
The Nolly Red.
Ooh. So you ready to snap?
Hold up.
Oh, what's up?
Hold up.
Talk to me.
I know this y'all show, but this my show right now.
Okay.
P, I want you to be my hype man. Mike Smith, I want you to do my ad lib.
Okay, hold on.
Dang.
Y'all ready?
She told him how it was.
Get my swag.
Got straight to the point.
Okay. I'm the ad lib. You the hype man. I'm the ad lib.
Okay.
Yo.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's do it.
Mo dope.
Drop that beat.
Yes, ma'am.
Drop that beat.
Yeah.
Canary Yellow on the check-in.
Yeah.
OTM freaking Sunday.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mo
She ain't
dope.
playing. She ain't playing.
Yeah, I'm small, but I do it be like Red Ross. I'm a young goat. I'm a young boss.
Talk to me.
I sport, I get what I want, no matter what it costs.
Okay.
You ain't got yourself together. That's
She said
your
your daddy
own
broke.
fault. Put it on, I be dripping like a pot of sauce. Lemonade, I'm a squad, yeah, we taking out. She said she hotter than Canary, tell her knock it out. I'ma talk the talk. I'ma walk the walk. I paid for the flow, I get money all the time. I can't let you have none, cause I work hard for mine.
Yo. Lil RT might have some competition. Lil RT might have some competition coming his way, yo.
That, I like doing shine. Look me up on YouTube. I hot fine. Come for me, then my daddy come for you.
Who else?
And he won't come along.
Come for me, and then my daddy come for you.
I hot fine. Come for me, then my daddy come for you.
Who else?
And he won't come along. He gonna bring my uncle too.
What else?
Oh, he don't come along. He gonna bring my uncles too.
Everything gonna be yellow, but the money blue.
What else?
Everything brand new. I'm acting brand new.
What
the
else?
best. Nothing less. I'm a princess. I ain't got no time to stress, cause I'm too blessed.
No.
I be slayed every day. You looking like a mess.
Oh, God.
You make mediocre music. I'm not impressed.
Oh, God.
I've been rapping since 3. This ain't new to me. I said I'ma go viral 2023.
Okay.
Ray Charles to a header, then seeing me. I'm only 7, but I still who they wanna be. You can't say what I do. You
Child said she's spitting, but there's no way she wrote this.
can't have a seat.
Nah, bro, she wrote this, bro. What you mean, bro? You think Canary Yellow need a ghostwriter? You think Canary Yellow need a ghostwriter, dog? Nah, no way. This from the soul, bro. This from the soul, child. The other kids was in class learning how to do math. She was in there writing this.
Ain't no crumbs when I come to eat.
Canary Yellow.
You can't stand me, you can take a seat.
Canary Yellow.
Hey, no crumbs when I come to eat.
Canary
Hey,
Yellow.
you can't stand me, you can take a seat.
Canary Yellow.
Canary Yellow. Okay.
Hey, you an idiot, man.
OTM Sundays, man. Canary mother freaking Yellow.
Mo, duh.
Yo, how old is she? Like 7? She got bars for a 7-year-old. I would definitely believe she ghost wrote Kanye Donda, bro. I'd believe it, bro. Her dad definitely wrote that shit, though. But let me know what y'all think about it.